Hello and welcome back to the channel HardReset.Info, and today I will show you how to write a review on AliExpress. Open AliExpress on your phone and go to your account at the bottom right, then go to section My Orders, and now you should see something similar to what I have on my screen. So next to item you should see button Confirm Receipt. So you want to confirm that your item really arrived to you and you received it, and then you should see button Write Review. So we want to press this Write Review button and you will be redirected to form. This is leave feedback form that you have to fill in, and basically you can give your star rating starting from 1 to 5 points, then write a little comment for the item, share your experience with the seller, whatever that you want to you can describe in this field, and also you can add some photos or videos. And also it's highly recommended because it really helps other customers to see real product quality. And of course, do not forget to submit your feedback by pressing Submit Feedback button at the bottom side of the screen. And once you submit it, it will appear on the product page, usually within 24 hours. But keep in mind that after posting your feedback on AliExpress, you will not be able to delete it or edit it, though you can add additional comments later if it's needed. So that's it. Thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, please like it and subscribe to our channel for more content just like this.